Have you ever wondered why a bird on a power line doesn't get zapped? Or how a giant engine actually works? If so, you are at the right place. Welcome to MegaWatt College. It's for three kinds of people. First, the curious minds. You don't need to be degree to be fascinated by engineering. We break down complex ideas into simple, visual, and fun explanation for everyone. Second, the fresh engineers. You have aced the exam, but maybe you have never seen the machine up so close. We will bridge that gap between theory and reality, showing you how a steam turbine really spins or what like a Miller cycle looks like in action. And third, the experienced engineer. You lived and breathed machinery for years. Here, we will deep into specific equipments, layouts, and diagrams, respecting the expertise you bring on the table. Whether you are just curious or rigid grads or a seasoned pro, you belong here. Let's explore the story of how our world stayed powered. Subscribe to our community.